This is Foldology, the Origami Puzzle Game. And here are 5 reasons why you'll love it. First, it's brain training. The game is a total STEM superstar, helping you develop visual spatial skills and logical thinking. 2. Mindful and relaxation. Take a break from screens and lose yourself in the calming world of origami. It's like mini meditation for your mind. 3. Perfect for travel. Small, portable, and requires no batteries. 4. Starts easy and gets challenging. With 100 puzzles that gradually ramp up in difficulty, Foldology keeps things interesting for everyone. And 5. No origami experience needed. Just follow the simple instructions and watch your paper transform. Plus, it's the perfect size for an Easter basket stuffer or small gift that packs a big punch. So, are you ready to ditch the screens and challenge your brain in a whole new way? Quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try.